Hello my bunnies, it's Ticky's Trinkets here, and today I have for y'all another polymer clay update. Instead of a tutorial, this is an update. I haven't done one of these in a couple of years. So essentially what an update is I just show you some things that I've been working on off camera, just so you can see, get up to date with what I've made and what I haven't made. This is a really uncomfortable position for my hands, so I'm sorry if I'm twitching a lot. But what I've made today for y'all to see is My Hero Academia rings. I am also currently working on a Deku sculpture, which you guys will see hopefully this Friday, if not next Friday at the latest. But what I made was for this week was My Hero Academia rings. I actually made these quite a while ago. I just hadn't had a chance to do an update or anything. But they are all on these adjustable bands right here, so you can adjust them to any length. I didn't adjust it further to go down my thumb further, solely because I don't want to stretch out the adjustableness of it too much, and then it get kind of wonky or warped after a while. After you've, tightened it, loosened it so many times, it'll get a little bit run out. You know what I mean? But let me go through the characters that I made. The characters I made was Ochaka Uraraka. And if you haven't seen My Hero Academia, you definitely need to watch the anime. I'm going to take them off one by one as I'm doing this too. Also, I need to read the novels. I know I'm terrible, but I really do need to read them. I'm so far behind now. I'd have to buy all of them from volume 1 up. Oh my god, it's an investment that I will think about. Also, Shoto Todoroki. Next is the main man himself, Izuku Midoriya, or Deku. Let me move my hand for a second. Katsuki Bakugo, with his angry little selfish stuff on my little wedding ring finger. There we go, Bakugo. And I did try to make him angry without giving him eyebrows, so I think I really like the effect that I achieved. And last but not least, Tenya Ida. I do want to make all the kids from class 1A at one point. Also, his hair is glittery, so I really love that effect. Doing glasses is very particularly hard for me, so please don't judge me for my crappy glasses. And all I did was glue these on the back of them. I do want to actually press them into the clay next time and glue them inside of the clay, so maybe they'll be a little bit more sturdier. Oh, I see that I got a little bit of paint on his face. I'm hoping maybe I can take that off with some rubbing alcohol. The varnish should be able to come off too. But yeah, I just made these 5 characters to start with. I do want to make all the students in class 1A at some given point. And I also want to try to, oh, geez, my bad. I also want to try to make some of the teachers like Professor Zawa, President Mike, and obviously I want to make All Might. They're literally the main teachers. Literally the main pro heroes. I mean, there's other characters like Endeavor, which I don't care to make. He's not one of my particularly favorite characters because of my poor Todoroki here. And if you guys didn't know, you should have already known that I'm a big fan of My Hero Academia just because of the decorations in my room. I've had those up for a while now, so I thought you guys would know by now. But if not, just a friendly little reminder. And again, these will be listed on my Etsy shop this upcoming weekend. They will be listed in a set like this. And normally my rings are listed at $6 or $5 a piece, but these are probably actually going to be $10, solely because the intricacies of their hair took a lot more time. I mean, look at Deku. You know how long this took? The back part doesn't take that long. It's a solid piece of clay with lines through it. But doing these little intricate details on the top is all individual pieces of clay. Same thing with the bangs. I don't just go in and just slice and dice. Otherwise, it would come off on the clay itself and it would look a little trashy. But each individual hair on each character is put on one by one, just so it looks cleaner. Focus. Oh, wow. I didn't know if I did that, it was going to just focus on that. Okay, it's totally focusing on Bakugo, but you get the gist. Oh my god, the lighting. Really, lighting, what are you doing? Okay, anyways. There we go. Same thing with Ochaka. The hairs on the top and the individual hairs on the sides were put on separately. And yeah, so they'll all be listed at $10 a piece, or you'll get a small discount if you buy all 5. And the link to my Etsy shop is in my YouTube channel. It is also in my Instagram bio and my Twitter bio. Make sure to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. That way you can see posts about things like this before you actually see it on YouTube. Because these were listed on Instagram before they were put up on YouTube. And that's pretty much all I have to say about them. They're cute little My Hero Academia rings. They will be on my Etsy shop. They're on adjustable silver bands. That's what they're always on. It's just the best and easiest way I've found to put these on. So most people can wear them and enjoy them. They are fragile because they're clay, but they're as durable as I can make them. Again, next time I will try to make the secure backing a little bit better by indenting it into the clay itself. And I hope you guys like this so much. Don't forget to check out my Etsy shop and stay tuned on my YouTube channel so y'all can see more amazing things by me. Sorry this was a short video, but I will see you guys again very shortly for Deku's tutorial, which I'll give you a little sneaky peeky. If I can just get this over here real quick. A little sneak peek of Deku. Okay, that's enough. Sorry you had to see all the trash in my room as well. Okay, there we go. Oh jeez, now I can't recenter. But while I'm fighting with this mount, I think this is a good time to end this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye, my bunnies.